Hello students, this is your first poem, Wake Up. Wake up, you can understand the word of wake up. Wake up means get up from the bed. Okay, this poem is based on the feature that we must wake up early in the morning so that we can observe the natural beauty. But nowadays, pupils gets up very late from the bed, so they miss the opportunity to observe the nature. Okay, so you people should wake up early in the morning and observe and enjoy the natural beauty of the morning. Okay, let us start the poem. Wake up, it's a lovely day. Oh, please get up and come and play. The birds are singing in the trees, and you can hear the buzzing bees. This is the first stanza of this poem. First, poet says that you should wake up from the bed early in the morning, and you can see there is a lovely day. You must enjoy the day if you come out from your bed. So please get up from your bed and come and play. And when you get up from your bed, then you see the birds are singing in the trees, the chirping sounds of birds. You can hear the bird sounds which give you a pleasure. Okay, and you can hear the buzzing bees. Buzzing means होता है the sound of bees. जो bees की जो sound होती है उसको buzzing बोलते हैं. Means you can enjoy the natural beauty. Buzzing जो आपका word है उसको क्या होता है make a humming sound as a bees. जो bees जो sound produce करते हैं उसको बोलते हैं buzzing. इसका सेंटेंस मैंने बनाया था, हैंड राइटिंग अच्छी नहीं आई क्योंकि इसी से ड्रॉ किया ना. द bees are buzzing in the garden. सेंटेंस हो गया the bees are buzzing in the garden. नेक्स्ट है आपका सेकंड स्टेंजा. ये है आपका वेक अप इट्स अ लवली डे. ओ प्लीज गेट अप एंड कम एंड प्ले. यहां तक सेम आया था ना पहले भी. वेक अप इट्स अ लवली डे. ओ प्लीज गेट अप एंड कम एंड प्ले. It's much too late to lie in bed, so hurry up, you sleepyhead. The poet says that it is too late, so get up from the bed. And hurry up, you sleepyhead. Sleepyhead means the head which wants to sleep some more time. Okay, in the morning, many students also don't want to get up early in the bed early in the morning, so they want to sleep some more time. That situation is called sleepyhead. Okay, so you should get up from the bed. It's too much late. Then क्या बोलता है poet? Wash and dress and come on out. Wash and dress and come on out. Everyone is up and about. Everyone is up and about. The cow, the horses, the ducks, and the sheep. Means all the creatures wake up early in the morning, but the human being wants to sleep some more time. So the poets wants that everyone should get up from the bed early in the morning so that they can enjoy their day. They can enjoy the beautiful morning. Okay, the tiniest chicken chip 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 chip. Wake up, it's a lovely day. Tiniest होता है very small. Tiniest होता है very small. सबसे जो छोटा होता है उसको बोलते हैं tiniest. तो I hope all of you understand this poem and you should recite this poem again and again so that you can read easily this poem. And I hope all of you must wake up early in the morning to read after reading this poem. Thank you and have a nice day.